Today I'm going to talk to you about an aspect of cognitive development called egocentrism. Egocentrism is a concept that was created by Jean Piaget. According to Piaget, logical egocentrism is due to the fact that the child sees everything from his own point of view. It is because he believes all the world to think like himself. In simple terms, egocentrism refers to a child's inability to see a situation from another person's point of view. Now, to some, egocentrism may look a lot like selfishness, but that is not the case. Egocentrism is not selfishness. Young children are unable to understand the points of view of others. That does not make a child selfish. It just means that they are still learning. I'm going to provide you with a couple of examples. First example. A lot of times, young children tend to take things from other children, like grabbing toys, books, crayons, stuffed animals, you name it. Most people are going to tell that child, "You took that toy from Valerie. How do you think that makes her feel?" Well, the problem with that is children are not going to understand how the other child feels about this. All they know is that they wanted the object at that time. The child is not intentionally being mean. They have yet to comprehend how another person feels. I'm going to provide you with another example, as egocentrism is not just about sharing, but remember, it's about how a child perceives the world. For example, my daughter likes to hide under a blanket or a pillow when we pick her up from grandma's house. Now, from her perspective, she thinks she cannot be seen. She's invisible. She's hiding from us. But in my perspective, she's only a lump on the couch under a blanket. Why is this aspect of cognitive development important? Well, egocentrism is important during the preoperational stage of child development because it allows learning from each side, both the parent side and the child side. From the parent's perspective, they can learn how they can parent their child and what it is that that child needs to grow. Now, from a child's perspective, this is where they begin to learn the difference between right and wrong. They're learning how to share or how certain actions make others feel. Now, there are a number of things a parent can do to facilitate this aspect of development using egocentrism. A parent should be very clear with their child to leave any doubt. They should also use few clear and effective rules, leaving it open. Next, they should probably clearly explain why they have to do these things. Another thing I would do is divert your child's attention to something different. Next, highlight the good things that they do. Another, set an example. And the most important, be patient with your child. Now, in summary, egocentrism is not selfishness, but it is how a child perceives it in their point of view and not the way that everyone else wants them to see it. Thank you for watching this.